What is the present worth of rupees 2310 due 2.5 years hence, the rate of interest being 15% per annum? So we have been given the future worth of this item, right? So we know that amount is basically the principal plus interest, and interest on principal in our case is the true discount, isn't it? Right. So amount is given, that's 2310, which is equals to principal worth, or the present worth is what we have to find, plus what is the formula for calculating the true discount? Well, that's PNR upon 100. So P times N is 2.5, so 2.5 times R is 15. So this is 15 upon 100. Right. Now this can be written as 2310 is equals to P plus P into 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10 times 15 upon we have 100, isn't it? 25 times 4 is 100, and 5 times 3 is 15, and 5 times 2. So I have 2310 is equals to 4 to the 8, 8p plus 3p, that's 11p by 8. Right, so P is equals to 2310 divided by 11 times 8. 2310 divided by 11 gives you 210 times 8, and that is equals to 1680. So the answer is option B, rupees 1680, which is the present worth. The true discount on a sum due 2 years at the rate 14% per annum is 168 rupees. What is this sum? Well, this sum is basically the future worth of this item, and the future worth of this item is often called the amount, right? And amount is basically the principal worth plus the true discount, isn't it? Principal plus interest on the principal, and interest we call it true discount, isn't it? So to calculate amount we need the principal. We have been given the true discount, so principal plus true discount is 168. And how do you get the principal worth or the present worth? Well, from the formula of true discount we get true discount is equals to PNR upon 100, and 168, which is the true discount, is equals to P into N is 2 years times R is 14 by 100. When you'll solve this, you'll get the value of P as 600. So P is 600 rupees. That means the present worth of this item is 600. So put that here. This will become 600 plus 168, right? And that will be 768 rupees. And this is the sum. So our answer is option A. The true discount on rupees 2562 due 4 months hence is 122 rupees. What is the rate percent? Well, we have been given the future worth, that is the amount, and that's 2562. So I can say that amount is basically the present worth plus the true discount, isn't it? Principal plus interest. Amount is 2562. Let's put that here, is equal to principal plus principal is not known, true discount is known, 122, isn't it? So 2562 minus 122 is 2440 is equals to the principal, right? Now what is true discount's formula? Well, true discount is equals to PNR upon 100, isn't it? So from that we can get the formula for P. So P is equals to, let's write it here, P is actually true discount times 100 divided by N times R, right? On the left hand side we have 2440, isn't it? This 0 and this 0 cancels out. So we have 244 is equals to true discount is given 122 times we have 10 divided by what is N? Well, N is 4 months. Let's convert these months into years. 4 months we have out of 12 months, right? So 4 by 12 years is the converted form of 4 months, and that's 1 by 3. So this will be 1 by 3 times R, correct? Now this 3 goes here, right? So I have R is equals to 122 times 10 times 3 divided by 244, isn't it? 122 times 2 is 244 and 2 times 5 is 10. So the rate is 5 times 3, that's 15%. So our answer is option C. The true discount on a bill due 9 months hence at 16% per annum is 189 rupees. What is the amount of the bill? Well, the amount is basically the principal amount or the present worth plus the true discount. That's the interest on the principal, isn't it? And amount is what we have to find. So I can write it as it is equals to, what is principal? What is the formula for principal or the present worth? Well, true discount is PNR upon 100. So P will be equals to true discount times 100 divided by N times R plus this true discount, right? So true discount is given, that's 189. So 189 times 100 divided by what is N? Well, N is 9 months. But 9 months we have to convert it into years, right? Because the rate is per annum. So 9 months is 9 by 12 years, right? So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So that's 3 by 4 years. So this is 3 by 4 times R is 16%. Plus the true discount is 189. Okay, now 4 times 4 is 16, so this can be written as 189 times 100 divided by 3 times 4 is 12, plus we have 189. This part when solved will give you 1575, plus you have 189, and 1575 plus 189 is equals to 1764. Right, so this is the amount or the sum of the bill. So option B is the correct answer. The simple interest and the true discount on a certain sum for a given time and at a given rate are 85 rupees and 80 rupees respectively. What is the sum? Well, we have been given the simple interest as 85 rupees and the true discount as 80 rupees. Right? Now this simple interest is actually calculated on the sum. So what is the simple interest on the sum? Well, that will be equals to the sum times N times R upon 100, the formula for simple interest, right? And that is 85. Let this be equation 1. Let's calculate the true discount. Now true discount is given. What is the formula for true discount? Well, basically when we say that we calculate a true discount on a certain sum, this sum is actually the future worth. So true discount is actually the the interest on the principal worth, on the present worth, right? So this can be written as P times N times R upon 100 is equals to 80. But we know that the sum or the final or the future amount is equals to principal plus the true discount, isn't it? So from this I can say that P is equals to the sum minus the true discount, which is 80. So minus 80 times N times R upon 100 is equals to 80. Let this be equation 2. Right, now we divide equation 1 by equation 2. So we get S times N times R upon 100 divided by S minus 80 times N times R upon 100 is equals to 85 by 80, right? So this terms get cancelled out. We have on the right hand side we can cancel out terms as well. So 5 times 17 is 85 and 5 times 16 is 80. So we have 16s is equals to 17s minus 80 times 17, which is equals to 1360, right? So I have S is equals to 1360. So the sum is 1360 and that is option C.